Good afternoon. Welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. Right, this is unusual. It's Mussle MUSS, one that's under the sea. Mussle Blue Metallic. Lovely bluey grey metallic. Obviously Volvo XC60 now. This is the 2.4, not the 2 litre. It's a D4 SE Lux Navigation Auto 4-wheel drive, Euro 6, stop-start, ULEZ compliant, 62,000 miles, 8 services. Serviced at 7, 10, 19, 24, 34, 40, 48 and 62, and it's done 62. So, and it's got, what's Volvo call it? Anyway, it's got the light cream leather, tow bar on it, 2.4, good tow car. So, price 14,995 and beautiful. Great looking car, just driven it, drives so well. So on the front, daytime LED, running lights, headlamp washers. It's got lovely tyres all round. The alloys are in great condition, paint works beautiful, super clean inside. Nice extras with the reverse camera, winter pack. So heated seats, electric memory driver's seat, tow pack or tow bar, rear park sensors as well as a reverse camera, keyless entry, keyless start, Pirelli on the back, nice wheel, general grabbers on the front, Pirelli's on the back, nice tyres, not stone chipped, not tatty, no bumper scuffs, lovely thing. Remember keyless entry. Okay, Volvo fitted mats, they're in there throughout. Do like this coloured trim on the Volvo, it's beautiful. Multifunction steering wheel, satellite navigation, heated seats there, air conditioning's freezing. Super clean throughout, fitted mats, lovely. Power tailgate, load cover, space saver spare wheel, very important. Lots of these Volvos came with a can of tyre foam, no good when you got your trailer on. Power tailgate, again, really lovely clean boot. Immaculate carpet in there. Under here, load nets, luggage nets, and under there is spare wheel, jack, wheel brace, tool kit, alloy wheel, locking key. All there, all present, all correct. Press the button on the tailgate and there she goes. Tow bar has, let me check how many, the electrics, 13 pin new style. What a pretty car, 62,000 miles, 14,995, 14,995, ULEZ compliant. Beautiful thing. If it was mine, nice with privacy glass on, but not everyone likes it, just keeps the car cool in the summer, protects your valuables a bit. Right, very nice car, it's super clean. Nice that it's keyless entry, electric mirrors, folding mirrors, obviously electric windows, electric memory driver's seat, 3 memories. Remember, they are heated, no wear. Well, the leather's in superb condition. I suppose you can't say no wear, but it's bloody lovely. Yeah. Heated seats. Very nice car. 8 services. 65 or 62? 62,000 miles from new. 8 services. Great car. 14,995. Can't say much more about it other than I really like it. Okay, please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. There'll be more Volvo XC60s on there. It's a car that we sell a lot of. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we produced over the last 2 years. You can thumb through those. If you would be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you would get a notification every time we upload a fresh video into stock and you would be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that vehicle in. Thank you very much for your time today. Goodbye.